And we're so glad to have you on Inside on It's Proper. Many activities featured during the Yuletide, especially title taking. And on the Christmas Eve, a former managing director of Anambra Broadcasting Service took the title of Ozomkpu Enugwu-Ukwu amidst cheers. Ngozo Bileri of Insider News covered the event and now brings the details.
In Igbo land, traditional title taking is a highly revered ceremony when the person taking a title invites his or her friends from far and wide. Titles like Odenibo, Akpokwedike, Ebubedike, Ibobu, Ononenyi, and many more were given according to the owner's ability and what he has done for the progress of the society. This can be given to a community man or a friend of a community based on past relationships. In Anambra, for instance, communities give titles to their highly placed sons like Ozomkpu, among others. Focusing on Enugwu-Ukwu community, the Yuletide provides opportunity for people to organize such events, just like the former Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Anambra Broadcasting Service, Chief Uche Nworah, did on the 24th of December 2024. His home at Enugwu-Ukwu village, Enugwu-Ukwu, was beehive of activities with the influx of people who came to felicitate with him during his Ozomkpu Enugwu-Ukwu title taking. The sound of 7 cannon shots signals the arrival of the traditional law of Enugwu-Ukwu, Nworah Ebe. As usual, Ebe danced to the Ufie tunes and then performed the Kolanut ritual.
Even in Anambra State, the government will recognize certificates of the best civil performing MD. Or you go to the even in the email,
with that done, the initiation process on Chief Nworah began with his purification with a white chalk uzu, and step by step, the process continued till he was decorated as he took his title name, Ozomkpu Ezudo Enugwu-Ukwu. Some of his friends were at the event, including the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the ABS, Mr. Chris Moloku.
The beauty in our culture, the color in our tradition, and of course, the greatness of our ancestry. So that is what we are here to commemorate today. So congratulations to Uche Nworah, and I wish him many more years enjoying his title. I wish him all the best, and I pray that he can only grow higher from where he is now.
Talk about the highest society. Also, society is the highest society in Igbo land. Today he has confirmed as also so KIFC. Ezudo anya nyegu 4H powers. OH we na aga niru 2025 delezi agaba. Nya obi di anyị mgbata maka na Ezudo bụ eze ama na oyechi. Ezudo bụ onye tolu ichi ọzọ. O wee luo tata, o wee mee ife o kwesịrị ime. Nya anyị na-ebia ọra na eze na ndị ọzọ mgbe ha bịago nabata ya. Na-ekpesili ebele ọganiru, na-ekpeli ebele na ife niile o ga-etinye aka ya ga na-aga n'iru. Wee na-ekwuri ebe ọ na-osi opti foju echi ọzọ. Ọ ga na-achịta azụ mmaji kwulu mmaji. Ezudo wee Ezudo mmadụ niile. Nya tata, ọ bụ Ezudo na kabinet. Tata anabatakwa ya azụ Ozomkpu Ezudo Enugwu-Ukwu na Umuri. Ya ọ ya adịla ya mma.
To Ozomkpu Ezudo, it is fulfilling to be part of one's community, especially as he took the Ozomkpu title after 5 decades in his village, Enugwu-Ukwu.
So I can thank God. I'm very pleased. It's a call to service. And Ozomkpu is somebody who stands for the truth all the time. Justice, peace. You know, you love your neighbor, love your community. That's what it's all about. So each other is a spiritual assignment. Yeah, you may see what people see and admire. They see the regalia and all that. But what it means is Ekago Manile. In English, it means they've used knife, okay, to make a mark in your tongue. That means you can never ever lie. It's not like we've been lying before, but there's now people will now say kaije bozo. And when community dispute, kaije bozo, and in kobu nozo pugabu nkezoku. Ozo na me for jo, ona na asiasi. Ozo tabulo megini, onye one year. That's what Ozo is all about. I want to thank my kids, all my friends. I can't start naming them. All my very good friends that supported me. Ndị kpọtara efi erika ịma ife niile ma ndị weta mmanya ego ihe niile ekere m ha na-asị Chukwu biko ana m ọkpa ha ga-eji n'aka nka ha ji bịa mma ekene m unu daalụ.
Lest I forget, Ozomkpu Ezudo's wife, Chief Mrs. Uche Nworah, 2 days before his initiation, was initiated into the prestigious Enugwu-Ukwu Society. And in case you do not know, she is the first Iyom in Umuaku village.
That's what I've heard, that I'm the first person in Umuaku to be an Iyom. And as surprising as it is, it's a privilege, as I said, and it's an honor to be part of this sort of group, group of prestigious women. I feel very good. It is a highly respected group. It stands for a lot within the community, including respect, truth and justice, support and progress development of the communities. Open doors has always been the case for me. So this is just going to help and be a continuation of what I've already been doing. My ceremony was absolutely amazing. I enjoyed every bit of it, from start to finish. The whole initiation thing, I learned a lot from it and I enjoyed it. So I would say to women who might be looking from the outside and thinking, oh, is this something I want to be a part of? I say, why not? It's a good thing. You're helping the community develop. You're going to be under an umbrella, a prestigious umbrella that can help, so many things to help develop the community. And why won't you want to be a part of that? For me, it's a no-brainer.
Insider News and other ABS staff members are saying, congratulations to you, Ozomkpu Ezudo and Iyom Ugombe Enugwu-Ukwu. From Umuaku village, Enugwu-Ukwu, in Njikoka local government area, I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS Insider.